Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Dr. Buranuddin Medical Lectures. Today we will be studying Paribhasha Sharira Introduction. In this chapter we are going to study some of the structures of Ayurvedic anatomy from which body is formed. Those structures are Kurcha, Kandara, Jala, Asti Sanghata, Simanta, Sivani, Rajju or Mamsarajju, Snayu. We will read this chapter later, Lasika, and also terminologies related to Shadanga Sharira. First one, Kurcha. Kurcha Akritayah, Snayvadi Visheshah, Ashtanga Sangraha Sharirasthana, 5th chapter, Shloka number 56. Kurcha Akrutayah. These are brush-like structures, Snayvadi Visheshah, made up of Snayu, etc. कूर्चा अपि शिरास्नायु मांस अस्ति प्रभवाः स्मृतः भाव प्रकाश पूर्वखंड 2nd chapter श्लोका number 319. Kurcha is brush like or network like structures formed by sira, snayu, mamsa and asti. Kurcha द्विचत्वारिंशत् काश्यप संहिता शारीरस्थान 1st chapter श्लोका number 2. Dvichotvarivimshat means 42. According to Acharya Kashyapa, Kurchas are 42 in number. Shat Kurchaha te hasta pada griva metreshu hastayordve padayordve griva metrayor ekaikah Shushruta Sharirasthana 5th chapter Shloka number 13. Shat Kurchaha. Kurchas are 6 in number. Te hasta pada griva metreshu. They are present in hasta, hands, pada, legs, griva, griva pradesha, neck region, medra pradesha, penis region. Hasta yordve. Out of 6 kurcha, 2 kurchas are present in hasta. Pada yordve. 2 kurcha present in pada. Griva medra yor ekaikah. 1 kurcha present in griva pradesha and 1 kurcha present in the medra pradesha. Hasta Kurcha can be correlated with palmar aponeurosis. Pada Kurcha can be correlated with plantar aponeurosis. Griva Kurcha can be correlated with ligamentum nuchae, whereas Medraja Kurcha with suspensory ligament of penis. Next, Kandara. Kandara Mahasnayu. Dhalana commentary on Sushruta Nidanasthana 1st chapter Shloka number 74. Mahasnayu refers to large snayu. Kandara Mahasnayu. The large snayu are called as Kandara. Mahasnaivani tu ruttani tani Kandara sanyani. Ashtanga Sangraha Sharirasthana 5th chapter Shloka number 76. Mahasnaivani tu ruttani. Mahasnayu or large snayu are rutta or round in shape. Tani Kandara sanyani, which are called as Kandara. Ruttastu Kandara Sarva Vidneya Kushalariha. Shushruta Sharirasthana 5th chapter Shloka number 31. Kandara is one among 4 types of snayu. Ruttastu Kandaraha. Rutta snayu is known as Kandara. Sarva Vidneya Kushalariha. Rutta snayu is known as Kandara by the expert. Shodasha Kandaraha Tasam Chatasraha Padayoho Tavatyo Hasta Griva Prushteshu Tatra Hasta Padagatanam Kandaranam Nakha Agra Praroha Griva Rudaya Nibandininam Adobhagagatanam Medram Shroni Prushta Nibandininam Adobhagagatanam Bimbam Uru Vangsho Ansa Pindadigatanam Cha Murda. Shushruta Sharirasthana 5th chapter Shloka number 11. Shodasha Kandaraha. Kandaras are 16 in number. Tasam Chatastra Padayoho. Out of 16 kandaras, 4 kandaras or chatasra are present in the pada, that is lower limbs. Tavatyo Hasta Griva Prushteshu. Tavatyo, also same number, or 4 kandaras are present in the hasta, 4 kandaras are present in the griva and 4 kandaras are present in the prushta, that is back region. तत्र हस्तपादगतानां कंडराणां नख अग्रप्ररोहा. Agrapraroha means a terminal point. Here, Agrapraroha of Kandras of Hasta and Pada are located in the Nakha. Griva Rudaya Nibandhininam Adobhagagatanam Medram. Adobhaga means downwards. Here, Agrapraroha of Kandras of Griva and Rudaya, those extending downwards and located in the region of Medra. Next, Shroni Prushta Nibandhininam Adobhagagatanam Bimbam. The Kandras, Agrapraroha of Kandras of Shroni, that is pelvic region, and Prushta, back region, those extending downwards and located in the region of Bimba, that is gluteal region. Next, terminal parts of the Kandras of Uru, that is thigh region, Vangsho, thorax region, Ansapinda, shoulder region, Adhikatanam, etc. are located in the region of Murda, that is head region. Chaturdasha Kandara, Kashyapa Samhita, Sharirasthana, first chapter, shloka number 2. Chaturdasha means 14 number. According to Acharya Kashyapa, Kandras are 14 in number. Jala, Mamsa, Sira, Snaiva, Asti, Jalani, Pratyeka Chatvari, Tani, Manibandha, Gulfa, Sanshritani, Paraspara Nipaddani, Paraspara Sanslishtani, Paraspara Gavakshitani, Cheti, Yor Gavakshitam Idam Shariram. Shushruta Sharirasthana, 5th chapter, shloka number 12. Jala are network-like structure in the body made up of fibers of Mamsa, Sira, Snayu and Asti. Jala are 4 types: Mamsa Jala, Sira Jala, Snayu Jala and Asti Jala. Mamsa, Sira, Snaiva, Asti, Jalani, Pratyeka Chatvari. Each type of Jala is further divided into 4, like Mamsa Jala 4 in number, Sira Jala 4 in number, Snayu Jala 4, Asti Jala 4. So there are 16 Jala. Shodasha Jalaha, Shushruta Sharirasthana, 5th chapter, shloka number 12. According to Acharya Shushruta, Jala are 16 in number. Tani Manibandha Gulfa Sanshritani. Jalas are present in the Manibandha and Gulfa. Manibandha refers to wrist joint, Gulfa refers to ankle joint. Paraspara Nibaddhani. Paraspara Nibaddhani means fibers binds with each other like network. Next, Paraspara Sanslishtani. Paraspara Sanslishtani is nothing but here fibers are interrelated. Paraspara Gavakshitani. Here Jala are perforated one. Gavakshitam idam shariram. So sharira becomes spongy. As we can see anatomical structures in wrist joint, here we can appreciate Asti, that is bone, the blood vessel, Sira, Snayu, the ligament, and Mamsa, that is muscle. They together form a Jala or network-like structure in wrist joint. Asti Sangata. Chaturdasha Astanam Sangataha Tesham Trayo Gulfa Janu Vangshaneshu Etenetara Sakti Bahu Cha Vakyatho Trika Shirasor Ekaikaha. Shushruta Sharirasthana, 5th chapter, shloka number 16. Asti Sangata. Asti refers to bone, Sangata refers to meeting point. So Asti Sangata means meeting point of more than 2 Asti in one place is called Asti Sangata. Chaturdasha Asthanam Sangataha. Asti Sangata are Chaturdasha or 14 in number. Tesham Trayo Gulfa Janu Vangshaneshu. Out of 14 Asti Sangata, 3 Asti Sangata are present in Gulfa, that is ankle joint, Janu knee joint, Vangshana hip joint, respectively in each Sakti or in each lower limb. Etenetara Sakti Bahu. How they are present in each Sakti, similarly they are present in another Sakti. and both the bahu. Trika shirasor ekaikah. Trika refers to sacrum, shira refers to skull. There are one asti sangata in trika and one asti sangata in shira. There are two gulfa in both the Sakti. So there are two asti sangata in gulfa, two asti sangata in janu, two asti sangata in Vangshana. Whereas there are two manibandha in both bahu. So there are two asti sangata in manibandha, that is wrist joint. There are two asti sangata in kurpara, elbow joint, and also there are two asti sangata in the kaksha, that is shoulder joint. Trika in sacrum there is one asti sangata, and shira, that is skull, one asti sangata. Simanta चतुर्दशैव सीमन्ताः ते च अस्ति संगात वद्गणनीयाः यत् स्थैर्ययुक्त अस्ति संगातः ए युक्तः संगातास्ते खल्व अष्टदशैकेषां सुश्रुत शारीरस्थान 5th chapter श्लोका number 17. Simanta are sutures present at the site of asti sangata which binds the asti sangata. चतुर्दशैव सीमन्तः. सीमन्त are चतुर्दश 14 in number. ते च अस्ति संगातवत् गणनीय. गणनीय means counting. They are counted as that of asti sangata. It means how much asti sangata, that much सीमन्त. Because यत् स्थैर्ययुक्त asti sangatah. सीमन्त are located at the same region of asti sangatah. ए युक्ता संगातास्ते खल्व अष्टदशैकेषाम. According to Ruddha Vagbhata, सीमंत are 18 in number, अष्टदश 18 in number. According to Acharya Ruddha Vagbhata, there are 5 सीमंत are present in the sirah. सीवनी सप्त सीवन्यः शिरसि विभक्ताः पंच जीवा शेफसोर एकैकः ताः परिहर्तव्य शस्त्रेण. सुश्रुत शारीरस्थान 5th chapter श्लोका number 15. The structure which resembles the stitch of a cloth. Sapta Sivanyah. Sivani are 7 in number. Sirasi Vibhaktaha Pancha. They are located 5 in skull, that is 5 cranial sutures. Jiva Shefasor Ekaikah. One Sivani present in Jiva, that is frenulum linguae, which is formed by a mucous membrane, and one Sivani present in Shefa, that is anococcygeal raphe. Anococcygeal raphe, which is present inferior surface of penis and scrotum in males, whereas in female between vagina and anus, and it is formed by skin. Taha parihartavya shastrena. Sivani should be prevented from any injury during surgery. It causes delayed wound healing. Rajju or Mamsarajju. Mahatyo Mamsarajvachchatastra Pruštavamsham Ubayatah Peshi Nibandhanartam Dve Bhaye Abhyantare Cha Dve. Sushruta Sharirasthana 5th chapter Shloka number 14. Rajju or Mamsarajju. The word meaning of Rajju is a rope-like structure which is responsible for binding. Mahatyo Mamsarajva Chatasra. Here Mamsarajju are Chatasra or 4 in number. Pruštavamshayo Ubayatah. Pruštavamsha means vertebral column. Ubayata means on both sides. Pruštavamshaya Ubayatah. It means Mamsarajju are present on both sides of vertebral column. Peshi Nibandhanartham. They tie the muscles of surrounding area. Dve Bhaya. 2 Mamsarajju are present on Bhaya, that is on lateral aspect. Abhyantare Cha Dve. 2 Mamsarajju present Abhyantara or on the medial aspect of the vertebral column. Mamsarajju can be correlated with sacrospinalis muscle. Next, Lasika. Yatu sarva sharira charam vavaya tvak vibarti. Yatu तोगान्तरे ऋणगतं लसिका शब्द लभते चरक शारीरस्थान 7 chapter श्लोका नंबर 15. लसिका यतु सर्वशरीरचरम the fluid which moves all over the body vavaya tvak vivarti and which is present deep to the tvak or deep to the skin. यतु तोगान्तरे ऋणगतं लसिका शब्द लभते. Runa means wound and the lasika which flows from the runa is known as lasika. Shadangatvam or Shadanga Sharira. Shad means 6. Anga refers to parts of the body. Shadangatvam means a human body is divided into 6 parts or 6 regions. First shloka Tatrayam sharirasya anga vibhagah tadyata द्वौ बाहु द्वे शक्तिनी शिरोग्रीवम अंतरादिरिति षडंगम अंगम. चरक शारीरस्थान 7 chapter श्लोका नंबर 5. तत्रायम शरीरस्य अंग विभागः. The human body is mainly divided into 6 regions. To understand anga pratyanga perfectly, द्वे बाहु 2 upper limbs, द्वे शक्तिनी 2 lower limbs, शिरोग्रीवम head and neck region, अंतरादिरिति trunk region, षडंगम अंगम. These are the 6 regions of the body. Second shloka तच्च षडंगम शाखाश्चतस्र मध्यमम पंचमम षष्ठम शिरः इति. सुश्रुत शारीरस्थान 5th chapter श्लोका number 3. तच्च षडंगम. 6 regions of the body are शाखाश्चतस्र refers to 4 extremities, that is 2 upper limbs and 2 lower limbs. Madhyamam panchamam. 5th one is madhyama, that is trunk region. Shashtam shirah. 6th is sirah. अंग प्रत्यंग विभाग. अतः परम प्रत्यंगानि वक्ष्यन्ते. मस्तक उदर पृष्ठ नाभि ललाट नासा चिबुक बस्ति ग्रीवा इत्येतः एकैकः. कर्ण नेत्र भ्रू शंख अंश गंड कक्षा स्तन वंक्षण पार्श्व स्पीक जानु कूर्पर बाहु च प्रभृतयो द्वे द्वे विंशतिर् अंगुल्यः. एषः प्रत्यंग विभागः उक्तः सुश्रुत शारीरस्थान 5th chapter श्लोका नंबर 4. अतः परम प्रत्यंगानि वक्ष्यते. Here there are different parts of the body. Those are mastaka skull, udara abdomen, prushta back, nabhi umbilical region, lalata forehead, nasa nose, chibuka chin, basti bladder, griva neck इत्येतः एकैकः. These all are 1 in number. karna ears, netra eyes, bhru eyebrows, shankha terion region or temporal region, ansa shoulder, ganda cheek, kaksha axilla, stana breast, vankshana loin region, parshva flank, speak buttock region, janu knee joint, kurpara elbow joint, bahu limbs, cha prabhurtayo dve dve. These all are 2 in number. विंशतिर अंगुल्यः. Anguli means fingers. Vinshatiri means 20. Fingers are 20 in number. एषः प्रत्यंग विभाग उक्तः. These are the anga pratyanga.